Hi, I'm Emma and welcome to TikTok Tuesday. Each week we look at online trends and challenges to see if they're worth the hype. This week we're looking at lettuce tea. TikTok says it can help you sleep, but I talked to some experts and they're not buying it.
Day 3 of drinking lettuce water.
Oh, it just tastes like water.
Boil some water and put that freshly washed lettuce in a cup.
I don't know how to describe this. It tastes like watered down lettuce. I used iceberg lettuce. A lot of people have been using romaine lettuce, so maybe that'll change the result. I don't know. I don't think so. So I filtered out all the lettuce so you can see. It has kind of a greenish tinge to it. It tastes like water that had lettuce in it. There's not actually anything in lettuce that can help you get to sleep. There are some vitamins and nutrients, but nothing like melatonin, which has actually been proven to help you get to sleep. If you're having trouble getting to sleep at night, a lot of sleep researchers recommend that you do something called a bedtime ritual. These are things that are going to signal to your body that it's time to unwind from the day and get ready for bed. This can be anything like shutting off your phone, putting it on the other side of your room, washing your face, taking a bath. Some people like to journal, or even making a hot drink. This is where lettuce tea might actually come in. So if you've been having trouble getting to sleep and you get into this lettuce tea trend, the act of actually going to your kitchen, making the lettuce tea, is kind of a signal to your body that it's time to go to bed. Other tips to help you get a good night's sleep include not bringing your electronics, including your laptop or your cell phone, into your bedroom, going to bed at the same time every night, even on weekends, and getting some exercise throughout the day. If you're interested in learning more about this and other health trends, check us out at healthing.ca. Cheers.